All right, so time for the freezing presentation. Is my audio right? My levels right? Everybody can hear me? Am I too loud? Am I too low? Let me know. But let's talk about it. CB Driver. CB Driver is the first website we're going to look for Texas jobs, in particular Dallas, Fort Worth area. Dallas, Fort Worth have been heavy on the check-in, heavy in the comment section, heavy in the chat live. So we're going to look out for them first and see what they got. So here is Texas. You can see we're on cbdriver.com. We just type in Dallas, Texas, or you can put in the zip code wherever you're from. You in Salisbury, North Carolina, you can do the same thing with just Salisbury, North Carolina, whatever state you want. You can follow along with me and actually look these things up yourself and see what's in your area. But first, we got Dallas, 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Morning drive in a minivan or van, Transit Connect SUV, size vehicles, 700 a week. So looking like probably part-time. Yeah, 8 to 2 is definitely part-time. It's not a full 8 hours. It's more like 6 hours, 30 hours a week. They are doing drug panels. I've never done a drug test for any of these jobs, but that don't mean you won't have to do one. And this is Dallas. You can see they got some pretty good independent contractor routes here. Like I said, 700 a week for part-time work is not bad. You can't beat that. People want to make like 100,000 a year being a courier. It's possible. I've seen people do it, but majority of the people that are making six figures or at least over 60, 70,000 a year doing courier gig apps are working 12-hour days. And honestly, if anybody that's, I would say, under 50 should be working 10-hour days anyway. I say that to say, especially if you're not wealthy, especially if you don't have residual income, passive income coming in, where you can get paid while you're sleeping, you need to be maximizing all of your waking hours and getting your ass on the grind and getting to work. Either doing side gigs, get you a side hustle. You can cut hair, do hair, paint houses, you know what I mean? Get you a side hustle where you don't have to worry about somebody hiring you and giving you hours, but also to where, you're gradually building to get up out that 9 to 5 rat race, to get up to where you can make more money per hour working for yourself than you can with somebody else. But until you build those skills up, until you get that clientele, it's always easier to put in hours with somebody else's company. And then while you're on their clock, or as soon as you get off work, start working on your own brand, start working on your own things. So here is something $350 a day. This is for cargo vans and sprinter and box trucks. Cargo van, you want to be making $250 a day. Box trucks, $350 to $400 a day or higher. You got to factor in gas and insurance and possibly paying a helper. Especially if you're driving a box truck, you're probably going to have some type of help or some type of somebody riding along with you to pick up and move those big items here. But let's see what's in Dallas on couriergigs.com. So we found a couple of gigs on CB Driver, and let's see what we got over here. Anybody in Texas watching this live right now? I'm live from two channels right now. One channel I usually don't go live from, but trying to build that one up. Follow me, Boss Up with K. At Credit K if you want some credit, you need some CPN advice, you need to build up business credit, definitely message me on all social media websites. So drop-off is big in the Texas area. Warp and SDS, this is one of the great medical courier companies, SDX or MDS. If you're really interested in doing the medical courier work, go on that route. I'm gonna start right now. I'm not gonna apply. So it goes to this weird website. They usually go to Indeed, a job recruiter. Now they're going SDX, going to some weird websites. Let me see where this one goes to. redirecting you. Okay, yeah, like I said, usually go to ZipRecruiter. This looks more like it. This is more reputable. $850 a week. Not bad. Not bad at all. Prefer $1,200 a week. $850, you can't be mad at that. Lifting 100 pounds. It say how many miles you're going today. And they give you a fuel surcharge, which is good. Weekly deposits. That ain't bad. That ain't bad. If you're interested in doing medical courier work, go try out MDS. MDS in your area. And they got some more little gigs. If you go to ZipRecruiter, I always show you other little gigs. You can be an after school driver. You want to drive kids around. Self-driving vehicle operator. That's weird. You be a self-driving vehicle operator. Amazon deliveries, parcel. So they got some other stuff in and around the Dallas area. If you just go scroll further down on ZipRecruiter at the time. So that's courier gigs for Dallas, Texas. They got some stuff, but you can always put in your area code. If you're in another part of Texas, Houston, San Antonio, El Paso, Austin, all those good places. So usually here's something for Corpus Christi, medical delivery driver, 1099, drive your own car, SUV, out of Corpus Christi. So let's go to the home page, and this is how I search. I do 1099 independent courier, Dallas, Texas. Just like medical courier work in the Dallas, Texas area. Dallas, Fort Worth, Austin, San Antonio, device for courier, 19 an hour, ain't bad. Another I gotta see what this self-driving vehicle thing about. What the hell y'all talking about? Self-driving middle mile delivery, motivated CDLs, 26 box truck. Okay, interesting. I'm gonna have to put that over to the side. I'm gonna go to that one later. Self-driving driving jobs. That's new to me. Courier part-time clinical pathological laboratory. These are the jobs you want right here. Now, these laboratories need stuff picked up, and this is how you get the top spot on a contract instead of being a subcontractor. When you subcontract, that's how you get that low pay. When you're the top person who actually goes out and gets the contract, and you don't have to subcontract somebody else out, you can keep more of the money. So this is a third shift. Let's see what they got. Picking up specimens, high school graduates, read and write, 40 hours, third shift. So this looks like, I don't know if you're driving your car or if you're driving their car. It doesn't say you need a car. So I would assume you're driving their car. I don't know. Go to their website and see what they're talking about real quick. The ATL in the building. What up, though? Polo in motion. Low. Light Dro. All right, so we got cookies, quality. Sonic Healthcare USA. That's the name of the company. Sonic Healthcare USA. Still don't give me a whole lot of information as far as pay, as far as all that stuff. Like I said, just going to ZipRecruiter, typing in 1099 medical courier. It's one of the best ways to find work. And then here's one, medicalcouriers.com. You see they got stuff everywhere. Become a driver at the top, fill out your information, and possibly find medical courier work in your area through them. And then last not least, usacouriers.com. Everybody who's watching this video right now can go to these same exact websites that I'm doing right now on your phone or laptop and plug in your city and state. Like I said, we're still doing Texas. So you see in Texas what all they got going on. Well, let's just do that. Okay, Texas. They got Alpine, Austin, Beaumont, Lubbock, McAllen. They got work all over the place. All over Texas, man. So you come here And if you want to get going, you want to say, where is it? Become a partner. Go to tools, come down, become a partner. Tools, become a partner, and fill out the courier application or the independent contractor application. All right. And they got phone numbers and everything. Remember what I tell you on this channel all the time. Remember what I tell you on this channel all the time. After you put in that application, you're going to call and you're going to email. I'm going to call, ask for the hiring manager, ask for the person that's in charge of hiring.